Hi, welcome to Word Work, where we put words to work, word by word. In this video, you will learn some words related to one occupation. Here are the words to learn. Teacher, school, classroom, desks, chairs, students, pencil, whiteboard, experiment, draw, markers, crayons, lunchtime, class. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do. Click the notification bell so that you will be notified when there's a new video posted. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Now learn to use each word in a sentence. Hin is a teacher. Hin works at a school. Hin's classroom has desks and chairs. Hin and her students read from a tablet. Hin's students write with a pencil. Hin's students draw on a whiteboard. Hin and her class do an experiment. Hin's students draw with brush and paint. Hin's students work with markers and crayons. Hin's class has pizza at lunchtime. Hin and her class have a class party. If you want to continue improving your reading and writing and gain more confidence, then don't forget, subscribe.